While I'm chilling with my friends, making all the noise down Brighton Cruise. And cold drinks, we always been eating it, especially while I'm rolling down to Monad Intermediate. Getting hot round here, I need fair share, gotta get my girls to Vontae Engineer. Now we off to the shop, my G, and the fun never stops when we're living in Highbury.
Happy is where I come from. Happy is where I have fun with my family and my loved ones. Represent
Highbury, yeah, I grew up in the hood, Somerset to Monmouth. It's all good down there, it's where my family stays. I'm from around the way, where we ball non-stop all day, kicking back with the brothers and the ladies. No playing up around here, we never shade it, but it's mean in the summertime. Come and get down in my town to these summer vibes.
Happy is where I come from. Happy is where I have fun with my family and my loved ones. Represent happy. Happy is where I come from. Happy is where I have fun with my family and my loved ones. Represent happy.
DJ Dolls.
This goes out to the Monrad Fano up there.
Stop.